Welcome to Team Apollo's status video. Let's kick off with the demonstration of our app prototype. After landing on the home screen, the user is able to edit their past recipes or create new ones. Let's start with creating a new recipe. Here, we are able to select if we want to start with a preset or not. Let's go with the For More option. This lands us on the recipe preset page, where the user is able to select a preset. I think cappuccino sounds like a great option. Now, the user is moved to the customizations page, where they are able to edit the details of their recipe. After editing the recipe, the user is able to see which coffee shops offer their drink on the right. Once satisfied with the recipe, we can save and continue. Now we'll land to the Saved Recipes tab, which can also be accessed from the main menu. Here, we can view and edit our recipes and also search them to find the recipe that we need. This concludes the demo of our app. So let's move on to the pipeline.
For the pipeline, we're using three different tools. The first one is called Prettier, and we're going to also use Codacy for code quality check and JS doc action for documentation auto generator. And Prettier, what it does is that it goes to automatically create a new commits that beautifies the code with all like spacing issues and other quotes like double quotes, single quote issues. For Codacy, we use that to do quality check, and there are two actions running Codacy. First one is doing analysis, and the other one is within security, you can see code scanning. And lastly, we're using JS doc for document generation, and everything can be found under this link. And that's going to show the documentation of all the current methods and the comments we wrote. Let's move on to Team Health.
Our team has a combined belief that our current workflow gives us the ability to perform at a high level, although some improvements could be made. Some of the good highlights of the sprint are great communication between the backend and front-end teams, active participation of group members and leaders, team leads keeping close track of the work being done in a timely manner with quality, team leads stepping in to resolve any arising issues. Those were many of the good points that allowed our team to finish the sprint quickly and create a prototype with a high degree of quality. The substantial issues that our group is facing are, firstly, asynchronous communication. Since everyone has different schedules, the majority of our conversation is async, which takes lots of time to receive feedback and turn it into action. Sometimes members are only responsive when directly approached, which is not a preferred way of communication. That is to say, increasing timely communication would greatly improve team dynamics, since it would allow us to tackle problems more proficiently. Secondly, uneven distribution of work. Due to the lack of communication, some members being irresponsible to their work, the work distribution is not even. Thirdly, we also would greatly benefit from improving our code formatting. In the end, with all of the issues, our team performed admirably during this challenge. We were able to learn many new skills, improve our teamwork, and create a prototype of which we are proud of. And even though there are some issues that still exist, they are not something we cannot easily overcome.